Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this shadow white border on CapCut PC. So adjust your video and make it smaller than the canvas. Go to canvas, select color and select the white color. Add in a black stock video. Oh, actually we need to add the canvas to the black stock video, sorry. Let me just add canvas again real quick. Okay, select the video, go to mask and select rectangle, and you're just going to adjust it to the perimeters of the video. And you're just going to feather it out. You can even make it a little bit smaller than the video here, like the mask, and feather it out more. Maybe not that much. But it kind of forms a shadow. Okay, maybe this one looks a little bit better. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. It's super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.